आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि गूगल एड्स का अकाउंट कैसे एडसेंस का अकाउंट कैसे बनाते हैं। सबसे पहले आपने सर्च कर लेना है गूगल एड्स को, ठीक है। कर लेना है तो सबसे पहले आपने ये पहला लिंक ही ओपन कर लेना है और फिर आपने स्टार्ट नाउ पे क्लिक कर देना है। जैसे ही स्टार्ट नाउ पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपके पास ये इस तरह सामने आ जाएगा। तो हमने इसको नेक्स्ट नहीं करना या इसी किस पे भी नहीं करना, गेट मोर कॉल, गेट मोर वेबसाइट सेल्स एंड साइन अप्स, इस पे नहीं जाना। हमें सबसे यहाँ नीचे जाना है इस ऑप्शन के ऊपर, ठीक है। हमारे पास ऑप्शन नज़र आ रहा है स्विच टू एक्सपोर्ट मोड, इस पर क्लिक करना है। तो इस पर क्लिक करेंगे हमारे पास तो नेक्स्ट पेज आ जाएगा एक। ये थोड़ा लोडिंग ले रहे हैं। अच्छा, देन अब हमारा अगला काम क्या होगा, हमने किसी के ऑप्शन पर निकले, सेल्स लीड्स है, वेब ट्रैफिक है, वेबसाइट ट्रैफिक है, प्रोडक्ट्स ब्रांड्स वगैरह हैं, ये ऐप्स हैं, कॉर्पोरेट कंपेनिंग है विद एड्स, ठीक है। तो किसी को भी हमने क्लिक नहीं करना। तो हमने यहाँ पे जो इसके नीचे ऑप्शन आ रहा होगा ना, ट्रेड एंड अकाउंट विद आउट कंपेनिंग, इस पर हमने क्लिक करना है। जब हम इस पर क्लिक करेंगे हमारे पास ये आ जाएगी लोकेशंस, ठीक है। तो मैं तो आपको एग्जांपल के तौर पे ये बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है। तो आपने यहाँ पे कर देना है नो, ठीक है, और सबमिट करवा देना है। कैसे करेंगे ये देखें, यू आर ऑल डन। फिर हम इस पर आ जाएंगे एक्सप्लोर योर अकाउंट, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही हम इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो ये लॉगिन हो लेगा हमारे पास, ये ओपन हो गया। ये हमारे पास गूगल एड्स का अकाउंट।
Okay, so now we are in a dashboard of Google Ads. So we'll first of all go through what Google Ad actually looks like, the interface and all those things. Okay, so first of all, I already told you guys that why Google Ads is such a lucrative platform, because you know that whenever someone has some buyer's intent, they go and search in Google most of the time and buy from that website. Okay, so if you give some ad to Google and run those ads and you get the first page positions for those ads, you can get good conversions, and the conversions will be, in the many cases there will be much more conversions in Google ads than that of Facebook ads. So first of all, let's check the interface of the Google Ads, because it's very necessary. So first of all, here you can see that whenever you sign in Google Ads, you will see this kind of interface. Now you will not see all these things if you are running this for the first time, but as we can see that we have running some campaigns, although now none of them are not running, but we are testing all this stuff. So first of all, let's check the tools. Okay, so you have to get hold of what the tools are suggesting. Okay, so Google have many kind of tools that you can play around with. Okay, so first of all, in the planning there is a performance planner. Now you have to give a demo of any campaign to someone and you don't want to spend anything like that. Okay, just for a demo campaign or just some kind of planning, for planning purposes you are going to give a demo. So for that you will use performance planning. Okay, now keyword planner, as we all know that you will run search ads or display ads in some specific keywords for make money online. There will be something like make money online from home, make money online fast, or for local marketing that will be emergency divorce lawyer, emergency plumber, or emergency fire station, things like that. So all those keywords you can plan for, and you can check those speeds, and what is the highest speed for first page, first ranking, and Okay, now reach planner. Now if you are using a certain amount of budget, you how much reach you are going to get, you can plan this reach planner. Okay, now your ads are running, you want to see the preview of those ads that are running in other other devices, or how your ads are functioning. If they need any kind of recommendation or diagnosis, you can do that from these tools. Okay, now let's move on to the shared library. So what is shared library? Now in shared library you can do many things, like you can manage your audience. Now by manage your audience, it means when we will go through the retargeting ads, we will literally focus on the audience manager part. What happens, you can put Google given pixel, the tag, in any website that you want to run traffic on. When traffic comes, the pixel gets spiked and they are picked up in this audience manager. Okay, for that, first of all, you have to save the campaign, obviously save the audience and all this stuff. So we'll go in details of this in the audience manager part. Okay, now bid strategies. Now some bids you can run a bid for 30 cent and set it in a manual mode. Okay, so the bid will always be 30 cent no matter what. Now in some cases there is even a enhanced CPC when you are testing most of the time, that how high can your bid go for a good amount of conversion. For that purpose you have to use enhanced CPC bid strategy. Okay, so all the strategies we will go through. Let's see, we'll go through and let's see how this strategy actually looks like. So we are not running anything, so they will not give us any portfolio strategy, but when we are running a campaign, you will see the bid strategy type, the status that is going on, the campaigns that are going on, the clicks they are generating, the impression you are getting, the click-through rate and average CPC, all this stuff. So you can change the bid strategy using all this data that you are gathering. Okay, now negative keyword list. Now this is a very important thing to go by, because negative keywords are actually very harmful for you. Okay, now you are in the make money online niche and someone is clicking that how can I make free money in 10 minutes, things like that. It has the money word and it has the free word also. Okay, so they are not your buyers. Okay, they are just tire kickers. You don't want them to look at your ad. So if you just input the word free in the negative keyword list, anyone that is actually visiting the negative keyword list, they will not see your ad. So your money and your effort will be in good use. They will not see this. Okay, so whenever you need to nullify some keywords from your list, you need negative keyword list. It is also important in the 7th part of this video. We'll go through the big optimization part and you will see that negative keyword is very important. Okay, now shared budgets. If you are running a budget and if you have any partner that is giving you the financial help also, then you can actually calculate who is sharing how much, and you can actually get all those things, like this budget is shared for you, this budget is shared for your partner. Okay, now location groups are basically the groups in the local marketing area where the location you are running a location campaign, and for that purpose when you are doing something the population on that location only, then you will need the location group. Okay, placement exclusion list. Now you want to exclude some places that you don't want any placement from, then you can use this placement exclusion list. Okay, now let's move on to the bulk actions. Now bulk actions is where the big players always play. Now when you are doing some work for a $1 million, billion company, and you are wasting or tasting a lot of stuff. They don't care that if their money is going to work or convert or not. They just want to test to gather all those data, and then they will make their own plan, and all those big data will help them for that purpose. And also they are running like 100 ad sets each day, like 100. So you can actually see them always, okay? And they are not wasting them on their testing for that purpose. So they want all the data and they want all the regulation. For that purpose, bulk action comes to play. First of all, rules. Now, you always want your keyword. When someone types your keyword, they see your ad in the first place, okay? But remember that feeds are always dynamic. Someone increase, you are giving 35 cents, someone is giving 36 cents. Google will give that person to the first, okay? But if you have applied a rule that you will give 10% more than the greatest bid, then the rule automatically increases your CPC from 36 cents to 38 cents. For that, you will always stay on the top of the chart, okay? So this kind of rule you can set, or you can set my ad will go on from 9 to 5, not more than that. So that kind of rule also you can set. Each day 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. ad will go on. So this kind of rules you can set in the rules column, okay? Now let's move on to the script, okay? So script